Hi, hello and welcome. This is your favorite chef Shri Bala. I hope you would love my recipes. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to turn the notifications on. Enjoy and happy cooking.
7 cups sweet is a very common recipe in the Agraharam. Why did it get its name? Because 7 cups of ingredients put together make this sweet. The same recipe, but I'm going to slightly tweak it with flax seeds. Come, let's see it.
Kindly make a note of the ingredients needed for making a 7 cup sweet. We are using flax seeds here. In a pan, I am taking 1 cup of flax seeds and dry roasting it till it pops. Once it pops, switch it off, cool, and then blend it nicely into a powder. Once you blend it, 1 cup of the seeds will become 1 1/4 cup of flax seeds powder. Now I have taken 1 cup of chickpea flour or besan and adding a few drops of ghee, roasting it to golden brown. Switch it off and let it cool completely. There you see the golden brown and you'll get a nice aroma. Now I am adding 1 1/4 cups of flax seeds which I have powdered and kept ready. Next I am adding 3/4 cup of grated coconut. Next 1 cup of milk. So effectively this has become 4 cups now. We need to add the sugar. So 3 cups of sugar. Effectively 7 cups. Once I add 3 cups of sugar. Mix them all together. This is done in room temperature. You're not cooking this yet. The slurry is ready. I am adding 1 cup of water and mixing it so that I'll break the lumps if any. Then I'll add 2 more cups of water, but that will be in stages. Everything is done in room temperature. Remember that. I'm adding 2 more cups of water and making it into a very runny slurry. The consistency is fine. I'm going to start cooking it. The reason you are doing it in room temperature is to avoid the lumps. Chickpea flour will immediately lump. So this way if you do, you'll totally avoid the lumps. If you want to do a traditional 7 cup, increase the chickpea flour to 2 cups instead of flax seeds. You can do that way also. Then the sweet will be very firm. Flax seeds 7 cup sweet will be little gooey because of its fibrous texture. Flax seeds is very good for health. That's why I'm giving a healthy twist to the traditional recipe. It's thickening now. I'm going to add the ghee. Effectively, it will be about 15 to 20 minutes of non-stop stirring. It has to absorb all the ghee. We'll wait till such time. It will also thicken further. Add the ghee in stages. I'm happy with the consistency. I'm going to add little more ghee. And let it absorb. It's done now. I'm going to transfer it to a greased plate. Keep the greased plate ready. Apply ghee and keep it ready. Dab it gently and allow it to cool. You can rest it for about 1 hour and then cut them into pieces. As I told you, since it's flax seeds, the texture will be very gooey. After 1 hour, time to cut it into pieces. I'm going to cut them. You can do a square or a diamond shape, it's up to you. Let's plate this also. Gently arrange them one by one. An awesome traditional 7-cup with a twist of flax seeds is ready to be served. Deepawali wishes once again.